Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Mane abhiman na paale re Vaishnav jan to Tene Kariye reverberated jane re Vaishnav jan to
पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिब कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो पग था उनका छोटा सा और सर पर उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तार गए वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Change to peaceful means, emphasizing the power of truth in the face of injustice. The Salt March or the Dandi March, the 1930 Salt March, a 240-mile journey, symbolized defiance against British salt taxes, inspiring a widespread support for the independence movement.
The next question is, what role did Bhagat Singh play in the independence struggle? Did you know Martyrs Day was originally celebrated March 23rd to honor Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev?
The extremists.
That is partially correct. But
As a freedom fighter,
that is correct, but the answer I was looking for was fought for justice and equality.
Can we have a round of applause?
Very well said.
to respect others,
To respect others, which include everyone.
to be not so rude with anyone,
Yes, we have to be humble, sweet and soft, not to be rude. Very good.
do not show attitude to anyone.
Oh, wonderful. Not to show attitude. We have to have humility in us. Yes, very good.
Don't be lazy, always do hard work.
Yes, hard work. There is no substitute of hard work. We have to keep working hard.
And no laziness.
No laziness. Yes.
To listen our elders.
To listen to our elders.
Obedient and ambitious.
Obedient and ambitious. Yes, we have to have.
And what else did you learn from today's assembly? Viraya, who will tell me? Abhiyan, what did you learn today, beta?
I learned that we should be kind and we should not tell lies.
Okay, Sanvi, what did we learn today?
That we should not tell lies. We should be honest every time.
We should be honest. Very good. Very nice. So, and what did Gandhiji say? What did he believe in? Non-violence. What does non-violence mean?
Non-violence means we should not hurt each other and we should be pure-minded.
Very nice. So, even if we have some problem with someone, we need to discuss. Right?
We should not fight.
We should not fight. Sanvi, very good. So, do you all fight?